This one is?
E.
Okay. This one is what?
E.
Sounds? What letter?
Sound.
Letter E. This one is,
Letter
look here.
E.
Look here. What is this one?
Letter E.
What is this one?
Letter E.
Oh, and this one? This one is? This one is?
Muscle.
Muscle. Elbow.
Not elbow. Muscle.
Oh, galing. But this is elbow. This one. See, look the arrow. Muscle. Elbow. Dali na. Ayan. Mamuntog ka pa. Dali na. Lagi ka nang may kakulitan. Elbow. Muscle nga naman. Oo nga. Muscle nga. Next one. Yun, hands. Again. Ikaw na mag-hands.
Walking hands. Here.
Sorry.
No. Follow the hands.
Okay. No, paano hands? It's danger. Dali ka na. Dali na. Bilis na.
Danger.
Again. Letter?
Again, nanay.
Okay.
Again. Letter A.
E.
Earth.
Earth.
Letter E. Letter muscle.
No, I told you. What is this one?
Muscle.
No. L.
Muscles.
Bow.
Muscle.
This one. Okay.
Muscle.
This one?
Muscle.
Okay. This one?
No hands.
Okay, nak. Bilis
Oh,
na.
nice.
Make it now.
A toy. Two hands.
Okay. Look these hands.
Another M. Again.
I give you chance to talk. Again. Talk.
Tatay. Favorite toy.
Okay. Tatay favorite toy. Okay. What is this one? Okay. Bye-bye si nanay sa SM. Okay. Dali na. This one?
Letter
Earrings. And this one?
I.
Lash.
Flash.
This one?
Muscle.
Elbow. Again.
Muscle.
Ala. No, anak. That is, see, the arrow is here. This elbow again. That is elbow. This is elbow, nak. This is elbow. Show me your elbow. This is elbow. Yes. And this is muscle. It's different. This is muscle and this is elbow. Opo. Okay. This is elbow and this is muscle. Yes. This is muscle. Look. This is muscle and this is elbow. But this is elbow now.
Angry.
So, sige na. Okay. Done na? Done na? Okay. Thank you.